Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Chrysler 300 door handle. We'll start by identifying typical problems you might encounter, ensuring you have the correct replacement parts and tools ready. Then, we'll cover the fundamental process of removing the old handle and installing a new one, making this repair straightforward and manageable for you at home. First, you'll need to carefully remove the interior door panel. This step provides access to the handle's internal mechanisms. Next, disconnect the linkage rods and any electrical connectors attached to the handle. Finally, locate and unbolt the fasteners securing the exterior door handle assembly, allowing you to remove the faulty unit from the door. Now, position the new door handle assembly into place and secure it with the bolts you removed earlier. Reconnect all the linkage rods, ensuring they are properly seated and move freely. Don't forget to reattach any electrical connectors. Before putting the door panel back on, thoroughly test the new handle's operation to confirm it works correctly. Once you've confirmed the new handle is working perfectly, carefully reinstall the interior door panel, making sure all clips and screws are properly secured. Give the handle a final test from both the inside and outside of the vehicle to ensure smooth operation. For added durability, consider applying a small amount of lubricant to the moving parts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.